How to install Life 360 app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Life 360 app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that I recommend you guys do is first you'll need to update your iOS to its latest version. So for that, head over to your settings and head over to general. My bad, let's head over to general there, and there you'll see software update option. Tap on software update, and after you tap on it, there you'll find if there is an update available. Tap on update if there is an update available and update to the latest version. After you do that, then you can head over to your app store, and after you open up your app store, simply search for Life 360. So search for Life 360, and this is the app right here. Now tap on install button, which should be right here instead of this cloud button. Tap on it and it should start downloading. So yeah, while this downloads, you guys can then head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And yeah, that's basically how you install your Life 360 app, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and